Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will show you how to edit documents that are in progress. In BoldSign, the Edit Document feature allows only the senders to make changes to documents that are still in progress for specific purposes. This feature allows them to update outdated settings or information or add missing details without starting over, thereby saving time and improving workflow efficiency. If a document is in edit mode, and a signer attempts to access it, a dialog box will appear with a message, "Document currently being edited." The signer will be unable to access the document until editing is completed. If the signer has an account, the document will be automatically moved to the Need Attention status. This status will remain until the editing process is fully completed. There are some common restrictions to keep in mind while editing documents. The document title and the brand details cannot be changed. Documents in completed, declined, revoked, or expired statuses are not eligible for editing. If multiple recipients are involved, and some have already signed, the changes will only apply to those who have not yet signed. Additionally, label and hyperlink form fields cannot be used if any signers have completed their signing process. A project manager sends a proposal for approval, but notices the form is outdated and some details are missed. Instead of restarting, the manager uses BoldSign's edit feature to update the form and add the missing information, ensuring the correct document reaches all relevant parties. Let me show you how to do this. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page and click the Documents menu. A list of other options is displayed. I select My Documents, which then redirects me to the My Documents page. Here is a list of all my documents. I locate the document needing editing, hover over it, and click the Context menu. A list of options appears. I choose the Edit Documents option. A pop-up notifies me that once I start editing, the document will be in the editing state, and the signers won't be able to access or sign the document until editing is completed or cancelled. To proceed with the editing, I click the Yes button. I am navigated to the preparation document for the signing page. Next, I need to replace the outdated project details form. I move to the Add Files section. Here I can add a new file and replace or remove the current file. I proceed to replace the outdated file with a newly updated one. Next, I move to the Add Recipients section. I can edit the details and settings of the existing recipients. The sender is restricted from enabling the signing order option. I enter the internal manager's details by clicking the Add Recipient button. Next, I move to the Add CC section and enter the external stakeholder's email to receive CC notification. You can also customize the document settings if needed. During the editing, the senders are restricted from updating the document title and brand details. Now, I have updated the information that was missed. With that done, I click Next. In the Configure Fields page, the form fields present in the outdated document are shown. I check their positioning. I can also add some form fields for the existing recipients if I missed any during preparation. I proceed to add the name and signature fields for the internal manager. I check the document once and click Send. A review pop-up allows me to preview all the changes made to the document. When done, I click Send again. Now, the document has been edited and sent out successfully. The new recipient receives a signature request email, and they can continue with the approval process without disrupting the signing process of other recipients. Additionally, the other recipients will not be notified of the changes to the document. This is all about editing documents that are still in progress in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.